Good morning, students. Today our topic is concept and classification of doping. Concept and classification of doping. Doping is very common word that we almost hear. We also hear that doping has been used in various sports. Today we will know what is doping. Doping is any substances of natural or synthetic origin which use allow to achieve improvement of sports result. Such substances can rise sharply for a short time activity of nervous and endocrine system and also increase muscular force. The medicines stimulating synthesis of muscle proteins after influence of loads of muscle belong to dope. Okay. Next is types of doping. Performance enhancement training by athletes is mostly done in between sporting competitions. This is also the time when the sports person is tempted to try out performance enhancing substances as well as other methods of excel in the next or a forthcoming competition. Based on how these drugs affect the athletes, they are classified as either performance enhancing or physical method. Performance enhancing or physical method. First, performance enhancing substances. Performance enhancing substances. When an athlete wants to improve performance, they make use of these substances, which are mostly taken orally or injected. They are subclassified as first, stimulants. Stimulants are substances which lead to enhanced mental or physical alertness. Heart and breathing rate is increased as is alertness of the brain. Amphetamines, cocaine are often used of this purpose. Next is anabolic steroid. Anabolic steroid cause increase in muscle mass and power. These substances find favor with heavy weightlifters. Next, human growth hormones. HGH. Human growth hormone. Using HGH leads to higher hemoglobin and red blood corpuscle production. This in turn increase oxygen transport capacity, which translates into more strength and endurance. Okay. Next is beta 2 agonists. Beta 2 agonists cause an increase in the supply of air into the airways, so more oxygen is taken in. Improve respiratory function, increases capacity for exercises. Agonist decreases the recovery time taken by sports person from the competition fatigue. Okay. Narcotics. Narcotics reduce pain. The feeling of being pain-free prevents fatigability temporarily. Morphine and heroin exemplify these substances. Next is diuretics. Weightlifters, boxers and wrestlers use these to rapidly remove fluids from the body, leading to instant reduction in body weight. Last is glucocorticosteroid. This is a group of steroids which kills pain as well as have anti-inflammatory effects. Next is physical methods of doping. Physical methods of doping which are divided in two parts: blood doping and gene doping. First, we will know what is blood doping. Blood doping is a method in which extra blood is injected into a player's circulatory system. The blood injected into the player's body may be his own blood stored in a blood bank or of any other person of the same blood group. In fact, this extra blood increases the percentage of hemoglobin and red blood corpuscles in the blood. This method can increase performance by up to 10%, especially in endurance sports. The three widely used types of blood doping are blood transfusions, injection of erythropoietin, and next is injections of synthetic oxygen carriers. First, blood transfusions. Blood transfusion is an effective and unmedicated means of increasing the number of red blood cells in the circulation in order to enhance athletic performance. Next, injections of erythropoietin. EPO regulates the body production of red blood cells. Athletes use EPO to produce higher than normal amounts of red blood cells to enhance performance. Next, injections of synthetic oxygen carriers. These are chemicals that have the ability to carry oxygen like HbOCS, hemoglobin based oxygen carrier, and PFCS, perfluorocarbons. Athletes misuse this performance enhancer in an attempt to boost oxygen quantity in the blood, which in turn helps fuel muscles. And next is gene doping. According to WADA, gene doping is the non-therapeutic use of cells, genes, genetic elements, or of the modular of gene expression having the capacity to improve athletic performance. Gene doping is an outgrowth of gene therapy. Gene doping involves manipulating and inserting DNA for the purpose of enhancing athletic performance. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.